The interactive bar installation forms the natural biotope for a species of virtual creatures that exhibit a unique pattern of social behavior. When someone touches the surface of their terrarium, these organisms react with playful curiosity. If you catch one with your fingers, it will follow your movements, and you can send it on in any direction, and from table to table. They flock to drinking glasses placed in their vicinity like hungry sharks, and swarm around everything that enters their world. In this way, the colorful organisms become part of an informal game involving their human visitors, whereby a flow of communication extends throughout the individual terrariums and creates an interconnection among the participants.
Look what I've gotten in here. And then I let them go. And they come back. Let them go, come back. No, wait, you're not going anywhere. I've gotten them all. Look at this. They're all trapped with me.
There it goes. Oh, I got it.
Mira, todos se vinieron. Hay que volver.